Hello, what's up guys? Crypto everything here again. In this video I'm just going to be showing you how to buy shitcoins using your trust wallet as Pancakeswap. So if you have trust wallet and you want to know how to buy shitcoins, there are two places that you can buy from, two ways that I've gotten to know, and one is the easiest way and one is just the regular old way. So the first one is Pancakeswap.finance. So once you come to Pancakeswap.finance, all you just have to do is link it. So here, if it is not connected, it's going to show you connect here in this wallet address area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to disconnect my wallet. Okay, so when you've not connected your wallet, it's going to show you connect wallet like this. Okay, so but if you've already connected, it's just going to show you a wallet sign. So let's just assume that you've not connected your wallet. All you have to do is what? Click on connect wallet. Okay, now click on trust wallet, and now your wallet should be connected. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. So if you have a coin that you want to buy, see you want to buy, most of the time they usually buy these coins with BNB. So I suggest you have BNB in your trust wallet. BNB, so it determines the number of BNB you should have. Depends on how much you want to buy. You could have $100 worth of BNB. So the next thing you have to do is come down here where it says to, right here, this place, and click on select currency. Okay, select currency. Then the contract address of the coin that you want to buy, you just paste it here. It's going to come up. It's going to come up. Okay, sometimes if the coin is new, you just click, it's going to tell you to import. If it's a new coin, it's going to tell you to import, but this coin, I already imported the coin. There's going to be an import sign over here that says import coin, and you're just going to import it, and it's going to come out like this. Okay, now, so if you want to, whatever amount you want to buy, you could just decide to buy 0.001. Okay, the next thing you should do is click on swap anyway. Could just buy zero, let's change it. We just buy 0.001. You click on swap anyway. But thing is, when you're buying, this your percentage slippage tolerance is very necessary. It is necessary to reduce it to the minimum that you can afford. What this percentage tolerance means is that whatever you are going to buy, they are going to be taking 49% of it. So the percentage you set is going to determine how much they're going to take, and it's going to determine the speed of the transaction. So if you set 1%, your transaction speed is going to be so slow. Sometimes it might not go through. But if you set 49%, it's going to be very fast, but you're going to pay so much charges for it. Okay, so you can come on over here, this settings area, click on it, and you can set the percentage tolerance. Okay, so as you can see here, there is you have 0.1%, you have 0.5%, you have 1%, and then you have the custom here. You can decide to put this how many percentage you want. Then the highest you can go to is 49. You can get to 50%. You can 49 is the highest percentage that you can get to. So depending on how much speed you want, okay, so you can decide to put 1% depending on the traffic of the market at the particular time. So the amount of people trying to buy the coin at the same time will determine how much percentage you are going to use. So if you have hundreds of people trying to buy this coin at the same time, so the traffic is going to be much for this coin. So you'd have to up your percentage tolerance. So then you'd have to increase it here to 12. Okay, so just increase it to 12. 12 is always the best, or if you can't get it at 12, you get it at 13. But if the surge in that market is very slow, you can just set it to 1%. Okay, so let's try to swap it. If you click on swap anyway, at least, okay, they said this swap has a price impact of at least. Please confirm that you like to continue with this swap. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then it will take you to the transaction page. Okay, as you can see, this is the amount of coin I was about to buy. Sorry. So I click on swap anyway. So once it has taken you here, and you click on proceed, then once you click on approve, the amount is going to be deducted from your BNB, and the equivalent amount of the token that you are buying is going to be transferred to your account. Okay, but this right here, it might be complicated because you have to set slippage tolerance and all that stuff. But basically, this is the way they do it. Then if you want to swap your tokens, say you've bought this SBOOM and then you want to trade it back for BNB, all you have to do is click on this arrow here. Okay, sorry. All you have to do is click on this arrow right here. Okay, now if you click on this arrow right here, what it does is it helps you to swap. So as you can see, they are saying you are going to swap this to get this. You get, so now you are swapping the SBOOM, this coin that we have, so we can get BNB. So no one will buy, we took BNB to get this. Now want to sell this SBOOM to get this, so it works the same way. So all you have to do is click on this arrow. This arrow is just going to swap it, like this, just like that. So now we want to swap our SBOOM for BNB. All we have to do is click on the amounts that we want, how much we want here, or do we want max. If you want all of them, you can just click on max. It's going to tell you the equivalent in BNB. Then you click on swap anyway, then it's going to tell you to approve transaction, and that is all. You have bought your coins and now you have sold it. That is how they do it. Then I'm going to show you another place where you can actually sell this to, or buy and sell to, is a Poocoin.app. The reason why Poocoin.app is, I don't usually I like it, but sometimes I don't like it because the transaction fees are way higher than in Pancakeswap. But this one is easier, far easier. Before there used to be a version one, but now version one is no longer accessible, it's no longer in use, so we're using version 2. But before now, what Poocoin usually, what the best thing it had was that it helped you wherever there was liquidity, whether in version 1 or version 2, automatically it goes there for you. But in Pancakeswap, it would you would have to manually go to version 1 or version 2, but this one tells you, it just automatically goes to the one that has liquidity and swaps it for you. So what you have to do right here is come here. This is the coin that you have. So this box here is the coin that you have, while this other one is the coin you want to swap it for. Okay, so let's say we want to swap our BNB for SBOOM. What we'll do is, we have BNB already, so we'll have to come here, click on select currency. Okay, then paste our contract address here of the SBOOM, click on it, then you click on swap, then you click on swap over here. Once you click on swap, automatically it's going to swap for you. This one doesn't, then it's going to show you an approve screen. Just click on approve and your coin is going to be in your account. Also with this one, with Poocoin app, you still also have to connect. As you can see, there's a logout button here which shows that I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, there's going to be a button that shows you log in, and you just choose Trust Wallet like we did with Pancakeswap, and you're going to be logged in. Now all your coins are going to be here. Okay, so now you can start to sell here too. If you want to sell, all you have to do is click on this arrow right here, click on it, and you're going to swap. So just put the coins that you want to buy, that you want to sell. So now assume that I've bought this SafeBoom already, because I already have SafeBoom. I just click on maximum. Okay, and this is the currency I want to convert it to, which is BNB. Okay, so this is the amount of BNB they're going to give me for this amount of SafeBoom that I have. The next thing I'm going to do is click on swap. Once I click on swap, that's it. It converts it from SafeBoom to BNB for me. So it's as easy as that. Okay, so so with SafeBoom also, you can rather with Poocoin.app, what you have to do is click on auto slippage. With Pancakeswap, you had to set the slippage automatically by yourself manually. But with Poocoin.app, just click on auto slippage. It's going to give you the best slippage that is best suited at that time for Swift transactions. So it's going to be on auto. Once you click on this auto, just put the coin that you want to swap, then click on swap. It's going to automatically give you the best percentage that you that will make your transactions very fast. Okay, so that's one of the major things about Poocoin.app. It's just super easy to use and very fast and swift to use. But the downside to this is that the transaction fees are always higher than in Poocoin.app. I mean, than in Pancakeswap. Okay, so I hope you got something from this video. If you did, why not leave a like, thumbs up for me, and you can comment your questions in this comment section below. And why not subscribe also if you like content like this. If you like content related to shitcoins, cryptocurrency, why not subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. And I think that will be all for today, guys. So bye.